This is my Evolution S380 metal cutting chop saw. Was having trouble with the first one that I purchased. It seemed like it had a lot of vibration to it. It's been that way ever since the beginning. I wasn't sure if that was normal or not. I finally reached out, after about a year and a half, reached out to Evolution, and their warranty, it's no joke on that. They sent me a return label, a FedEx return label. I boxed up the saw, sent it back to them. They evaluated it, and they sent me a replacement saw with a new blade and everything. So I have a previous video showing the vibration I was having with the saw. So I'm going to make a couple test cuts here in the same material as before, and you can see the difference in how much smoother the new saw is compared to the original one that I had. That was on the flat bar, and the flat bar really wasn't too bad. The angle on it, I really noticed a lot of vibration when trying to cut that. Some square tubing as well. So yeah, some nice clean cuts on the material and virtually no vibration like I was having before. So I want to thank Evolution for taking care of it and so quick. I was without the saw for about 5 days total, and this new saw is completely different from the original one that I had as far as the vibration. It sounds different when I first turn it on. It runs sounds a little different, but it cuts so much smoother. So thanks again to Evolution for taking care of that under warranty for me.